Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one in here. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s to the power of 4, you got about 4s to the power of 3. First derivative of s squared, you got about 2s, number 2 and number 2, you got about 4. And we have s. Because we don't have number 4, we need to divide both sides by number 4. So this one we change by u. S to the power of 3 plus s dx, we change by du over number 4. And now we have the formula for this one. The integration of a to the power of u du, you got about a to the power of u over L and a, and we put about c. Now we change a, that's about number 3, and you got the final answer. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.